All right then. The ships have all been chained together. Good work, everyone. That went quite well, if I do say so myself. But this battle is far from over. Now, the difficult part begins. How's that? Now we can attack the enemy fleet.
Path is clear now for our advance. Forward! Destroy that pathetic excuse for a navy! Teach them the strength of our forces!
Well, that was easy. I'm home, everyone. You shouldn't just throw your life away like that. Wow, it's a good thing I'm a fast runner.
Enemy officer defeated!
Don't underestimate the enemy. We must hold out. I won't be denied next time.
Enemy officer defeated!
Pick up the pace! We mustn't fall behind!
I won't be denied next time.
Enemy officer defeated!
Huh? What is that? Some kind of altar? I shall show no mercy.
Finish them off.
I won't be denied next time.
Enemy officer defeated!
I see right through your plans. I failed to call forth the wind. This withdrawal is part of my plan.
Enemy officer defeated!
I won't lose a second time.
Enemy officer defeated!
Now, attack!
My lord, we spotted a strange boat loaded with straw.
Straw. A fire attack? Ridiculous! There's no wind!
What are they up to? Xiahou Yuan, lead the defense.
Your skills are quite impressive.
Huang Gai, I'm entrusting the fire attack to you.
No problem. This will be the victory of a lifetime.
Stop Huang Gai! Prevent the fire attack!
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent. Enemy officer defeated!
The enemy won't even know what hit them.
I hit pretty hard. Think you can take it? Teach them the strength of our forces!
I must retreat. For now.
Enemy officer defeated! If I fail, I swear I'll never again step foot in war. It's about time I faced a worthy opponent. Enemy officer defeated!
Your skills are quite impressive.
We can't just stand around doing nothing. Let's move!
It's time. May the heavens bear witness! This fire burns with the spirit of Wu!
I won't be denied next time.
Enemy officer defeated!
I apologize for my tardiness.
Look at that! They're all burning! How could they? Damn you! Look at all the damage you've done!
That's right. I did it. Now quit your whining, you little punk!
You old man! You'll be joining all those ships at the bottom of the river!
It worked. Begin the counterattack.
A worthy opponent. We must meet again.
Enemy officer defeated!
This could prove difficult.
This shall prove to be a difficult battle.
Won't lose a second time.
Enemy officer defeated!
I don't like the looks of this. Some battles you win, and some battles you lose.
Enemy officer defeated!
I'll never back down from a fight.
Is this the end?
Thanks for coming. I'll make it up to you.
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
Enemy officer defeated!
We mustn't let them steal all of the glory.
Cut through the enemy camp. There is no turning back.
I'll never back down from a fight.
I don't have much more left to give.
I'll see who takes whose head. I must approach this calmly. Time to retreat. Enemy officer defeated!
They were merely an alliance of two weaker powers. Thus, they stood no chance before the might of our forces. It must be devastating for them to have lost a naval battle, something they take so much pride in. However, Liu Bei and Sun Quan are not finished yet. They will surely conspire to try and attack us again. We must be prepared for anything.